So I hope you had a chance to watch last week's video where Danny and I tried our hand at combat fishing.
Yep. And we volunteered at a small church there in Soldotna.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. But with our sojourn complete, volunteer work is complete, it is now time for us to head on down the Kenai Peninsula and do a little more exploring. Yeah,
we're going to explore Homer, which is something, if you watch any videos on Alaska, it's one that you're going to want to see. And we've got a hidden gem in Anchor Point.
Yeah. I'm Lynn.
And I'm Danny.
Welcome to RV America.
The original RV America.
Now, if you're new to our channel, take a quick minute, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell because we're off to explore. And we have our friends Teach and Tug Travels with us.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
And we're off.
Done. Pack the RV, we're chasing the sun. Heading south where the wild winds call. To Homer and Anchor Point, we'll see it all. Kenai Peninsula, roads unwind. Adventures waiting, no ties that bind. Crazy about Kenai, Alaska's playground.
So we've made it to the end of Homer Spit, and that's the right word, spit. It's just a small, narrow land mass that comes out from the town of Homer, 4.5 miles out into the Ketchimack Bay. It's full of shops, charter services, just hundreds and hundreds of places to stop and shop and eat and do adventures. Just a beautiful, beautiful area. We've driven all the way to the end and we'll start working our way back and visiting a few places.
Homer's calling, the end of the road. Ketchimack Bay with its emerald glow. Stroll the spit where the world feels free. Salty dogs' tails whispering to me.
Deb and Joel could not come because they're having to be home with Maya, who has some stuff going on. So we put $1 up for them.
Boardwalk fish and chips, we grab a bite.
So this place was recommended to us by someone else that's staying in the church parking lot where we're staying. So we're gonna try it and let you know what we think. It is called, what's it called?
Boardwalk fish and chips.
The Boardwalk fish and chips, because I completely forgot, went blank there. And I'll get a little video from the outside when we go back outside. But it's different because you come in and you stand in line and you order and then you go find your place to sit over there and they bring it to you. So here's the board. So we got fish and chips, and this is the first time we've had fish and chips on a stick. What do you think, Danny?
On guard.
You drop it, it's just gone.
I've got yours.
And they are fasting today.
Yes. Is this ketchup?
Actually, this
Yeah,
hasn't.
we ordered a Coke. More food will arrive here in a few minutes.
Yeah.
So.
Under snow-capped peaks in the endless light. Crazy about Kenai, Alaska's playground. Right on Cook Inlet and Prince William Sound. RV America's rolling hearts ablaze. We're crazy about this beautiful place. So Kenai is still our breath away. Crazy about Kenai, forever we could stay. Forever we could stay.
So fireweed is a tall wildflower with bright pink blooms, and it grows all throughout Alaska. You can't miss it when you go there. And it blooms from top to bottom during the summer. Alaskans use this to predict winter's approach. As the flower dies from the bottom up and it gets to the very top, they will tell you that cold weather and possible snow is only 6 weeks away.
Left onto Anchor Point Avenue.
Anchor Point, where the coastline sings. Eagles soar on untamed wings. More than we've seen in a lifetime span. Circling high over this rugged land. Walk the beach where the tides collide. Westernmost point where the road don't hide.
I did want to point out Anchor Point is the westernmost highway point in North America. No other road is farther west in North America.
So if you've been all over Alaska and you haven't seen eagles, when you are either going or coming from Homer, stop at Anchor Point. There's a big sign right on the side of the highway. You have to go past it. It's Anchor Point Recreational Area. And when you go past it, turn in, follow it all the way to the end. We have seen, I don't even know how many eagles we've seen yet. We've seen great big eagles. We saw an eagle nest. We've seen juveniles. And if it's high tide and you haven't seen them, because when it's low tide, they'll be swimming down around the beach looking for fish and shells and stuff like that. But if it's high tide and you haven't seen them, walk through the campground, but don't just look eye level or down. You have to look in the top of the trees, because that's where they're all at. They're in, I mean, like sitting as high as they can go. That's where you're gonna find the eagles. It's really cool. I got lots of shots on my phone. Daniel, put those right here.
Crazy about Kenai, Alaska's playground. Right on Cook Inlet and Prince William Sound. RV America's rolling hearts ablaze. We're crazy about this beautiful place. So Kenai is still our breath away. Crazy about Kenai, forever we could stay. Forever we could stay.
We hope you join us next week where we continue our great Alaskan adventure.
Yeah, Alaska has so much to see and so much to do. We have barely scratched the surface yet. Hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss any of the adventure. Until next time, God bless and many safe travels.
And go RV, America.